Melbourne is a city in Australia that has its population at 4,347,955 people. Its density is at 493.5 habitants per square kilometer. Its state is Victoria, and its area is 9,999 square kilometers.
Before the implementation of a compact city model, residents of the Melbourne rarely exercised on the streets. Very few used a bicycle because it was dangerous to walk in the middle of the cars. The vast majority rode bicycles in closed gyms or even in closed parks, but all this like a weekend program, and not part of the daily of those who live there.
The reasons that lead to a urban change. Estimate the effect of the changes in disease burden. Because of the cars pollutants the air wasn't clean, so the government did this also to improve the city air. To improve a better circulation in the city, not just for cars but for people. Encourage others to use the public transport.
What the change was. This change was implementation of a compact city model that brings benefits to the health of urban population. Tested in 6 cities around the world, the model promotes change in land use, bringing housing closer to workplaces, reducing the distance covered, and encouraging the use of public and active transport. In this case, will be by bicycle or walking. Such change can stimulate physical activities and reduce pollutant emissions. As a result, the occurrence of chronic non-communicable disease such as cardiovascular, breath, and diabetes type 2.
The compact city or city of short distance is an urban planning and urban design concept, which promotes relatively high residential density with mixed land uses. It is based on an efficient public transport system and an urban layout which, according to its advocates, encourage walking and cycle, low energy consumption, and reduced pollution. A large resident pollution provides opportunities for social interaction as well as a feeling of safety in numbers and eyes on the street. It also arguably a more sustainable urban settlement type than urban sprawl because it less depends on the car, requiring less and cheaper per capita infrastructure position. Compact City is a denser and brings together all the needs of citizens, housing, work, and services in the same place. This intensive use of the place aims to limit a city's encroachment and agricultural and natural space, account for residents' transportation needs, and optimize energy consumption.
The advantages and possible disadvantages of this change. Advantages. Such changes can stimulate physical activities and reduce pollutant emissions. The occurrence of chronic non-communicable diseases such as cardiovascular and respiratory diseases and diabetes type 2 is also reduced. Disadvantages. Political action must be more conscious. With more people on the streets, the number of accidents involving pedestrians would be more susceptible to increase. The cycle network is still insignificant. This sidewalk policy needs to change urgently and countless properties.
Our personal view of this change. The group concluded that this was a change more than necessary, and besides improving a better lifestyle for many people, it also improved a better environment where we live.